Is the ruling of the court. The accused persons who are present before court have been arraigned for various offenses touching on abuse of office, some money laundering, unlawful acquisition of public property, and others acquisition of proceeds of crime. The accused persons present before court apply to be released on lenient bond terms. The prosecution have also applied that the court enforces stringent measures owing to the seriousness of the offense and the public interests involved, together with the alleged losses that follows the said offenses. The defense have made submissions on behalf of the accused persons. They have quoted Article 49(1)(h) of the Constitution and beseech the court to rely on bail and bond policy. It has also been submitted that some of the accused persons are no longer in service and that they have underlying conditions, and also asked the court to also consider that some of the accused persons were not direct beneficiaries of the lost funds. It has also been submitted that the court to rely on the bail and bond policy in granting the bond terms and consider the value and the charges of which the accused persons are facing. The issues for determination is whether the prosecution has established compelling reasons to justify stringent terms in granting bond to the accused persons. The court has considered Article 49(1)(h) of the Constitution, which guarantees an arrested person the right to be released on bond and bail unless there are compelling reasons. The court also considers Section 123 of the Criminal Procedure Code, which allows the court on what guides the court on what to consider in determining bond and bail, as stated by the prosecution counsel, and among others, which provides for the nature and seriousness of the offense, the character and association of the accused persons. The objective of bail is to secure attendance of the accused persons before court. As submitted by the defense, the amount involved is undoubtedly substantial, and they urge the court not to consider the same, since they have not been proven guilty. The court is mindful that the terms must be reasonable and matter to be dealt with separately as circumstances justify such conditions. The court has considered the nature of the offense, which is different. Each accused person faces different charges. The amounts involved are also different, which the court has also endeavored to consider. Therefore, in granting the bond terms, the court arrives at the following decision: considering the nature of the offense and the seriousness, the amounts involved. For the first accused person, he is granted a bond of Kenya shillings 10 million with a surety of similar amount, with an alternative cash bail of 5 million with one contact person. For the second accused, the third accused person, that is Nemuel Moturi, who faces only one count under count 56, is to be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 2 million. For the fourth accused person, John Murithi, to be released on a bond of 5 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 2 million. For the fifth accused person, let me give the name.
Gladys Williot Horoni.
That is Gladys. To be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 20 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 10 million with one contact person. For the ninth accused person, that is Brian Kiprop, also standing in for the 10th accused, which is a company, will be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 10 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 5 million with one contact person. The 11th accused person, Ian Kipkemoi, to be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 3 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 2 million. For the 17th accused person, James Omodo, also standing in for the 18th and 19th accused person, to be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 2 million. The third accused number 33, that is Josephat Kamau, to be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 2 million with one contact person. Anyone we have left out?
Yes, Your Honor. Accused number 16.
The 16th accused person, Jimmy Carter, to be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 1 million with a surety of similar amount or a cash bail of 300,000 with one contact person. We'll mention the matter on 2nd of September, a routine mention.
Sorry, Your Honor.
2nd of September. Second of September.
I have a suggestion. Just a mention it for a
Just a routine mention.
routine mention.
Yes, yes.
Very well. And